Yeah, there was I guess it was a stabbing at my university, Hague Hall, UW, University of Waterloo. But the stabbing was at Hague Hall. I used to walk through Hague Hall almost every single day because I was in the arts program, and I took German and French, and I had a philosophy class. I had any number of classes that were in that building, Hague Hall, and that's where the stabbing was. Yeah, a guy who wasn't into the LGBTQ issues and asked, "What class is this?" and then stabbed 3 people. Yeah, kind of nasty. Today, as Ellie is exploring, investigating, there was a, is it there again? No, it's gone. There was a chipmunk. There's a chipmunk in the window well, and it was stuck. It fell down and didn't have the leg power to jump back up, and the sides of the window well are too slippery. So, what are you looking at? Are you looking at? I have to go see if the chipmunk is there. Yeah, what do you see? He's hiding under the weeds there. The problem is they have not finished these window wells, and they haven't put additional gravel and cleaned them out, and yeah, so they're traps for anybody who, I mean, a cat can jump in and jump out, but a little chipmunk cannot. So I was, poor little thing. It was Julia who saw it and brought my attention to it, brought it to my attention. And so I went outside and I put, by that point it had gone to the side and sort of ducked into a little hole at the side, which is not good, into the dirt. And so I put down, we have a bench on the side, and I grabbed a bench, which is kind of a long piece of wood, and then Mimi suggested that I grab a scratching post that we had upstairs. So with the 2 of those, I imagine it got it. Ellie, coming down? You don't know how to get down, do you? Get onto the cat tower and go down through the cat tower, or jump down from the cat tower. You're just not very physically active, Terry. You're stuck. Well, let me know. Yeah, so that was alarming, interesting. Poor thing. But it's probably it. Hop. Atta girl. Ta-da. You okay? Julia does this stuff all the time, and she knows that she just has to hop onto the desk. But Ellie's been told not to jump on the desk. So, see, Julia cheats by jumping behind my computer. She's allowed to do that because it's just a hop, skip, and a jump. Yeah, you made it. Yeah, so, that was exciting, yeah. What else did I do today? I went for a walk, and I had a shower afterwards, and I made my bed. Somehow, I have Charlie's first favorite cat toy. Lost. So I made my bed thinking that it was lost in my bed. Nothing in my bed. So I don't know where that toy is, but I'm gonna have to empty out the, yeah, I will empty out the pantry. Maybe it's under either my backpacks or under the big thing of towels in the pantry. Yeah, I'll empty out the bottom of the pantry. The only place that I can imagine, because I've looked every other place. All the living room, all of the bedroom, all of the utility room, all the bathroom, kitchen, no place can be. So your budgie is probably in the pantry. I look tomorrow. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow. Today's Thursday? Oh, I thought today was Wednesday. What is it? What is it? Do you know what it is? Okay, let's have a look. Good. Thursday. It's Thursday. So, yeah, it's true because I went to the Embroha post office and got my, one of those, yeah, it was today. Got my lottery tickets. Then I went to the grocery store and got apples, bananas, cranberry juice, and Sharpie. All of my pens, all my markers are just heavy, thick markers, and I wanted a sharp marker. Yeah, if nobody's seen that little thing by now, it made it up. As Amy said, they're pretty clever, and it would have taken advantage of the things that I put in. So there. Somebody's lost? 16-year-old? Uh-oh. What park? Oh, in British Columbia. That's not good to get lost in British Columbia. Hey, Ellie. Oh, sorry, Aggie. Hi, Aggie. I've had ice cream as my treat. My after supper, my dessert. What did I have for supper? I had, for a change, yeah, don't get lost in BC. I had French Canadian pea soup, habitant, with, what did I put in? Yes, zucchini and spices. And I finished off my Fritos. I had the bottom of a bag of Fritos left, and I didn't want to have it as extra, so I had it as my carbs to go with my pea soup. I'm sure there was something exciting I was going to tell you, but I cannot remember. I don't think so. Oh yeah, the exciting thing then is I switched I was doing my dishes and I switched the sides. Oh, how exciting. switched sides in my sink. When life is boring, you switch sides to keep your sinks